Okay guys, so I got the Duck on. Rear taillights are on. Tried looking at everything. Light keeps flashing over here. Obviously it's on. The horn works. Nothing else works on the bike. And the front, these pilot lights, I think they're called. It's the only thing that works. I changed some of the relays down here. I know there's one up here. I just can't find it. I looked at the schematics. I still can't find it. I have to take it apart. So I just need help getting the bike up and running. So I have no idea what's going on. I've only owned the bike for a few months, but I was just going over it, making sure everything's okay. So I don't know. It just, I don't know. It won't turn on. So if you guys know what this is, what it could be, please let me know. I really appreciate it.